Tenada is a mobile app that allows you to add high-quality text into video and edit it in 3D. You can download and install it through the App Store or the Play Store. Run the app to view the main screen. On the main screen, there are Home, which shows various templates, Create New, and My Works that saves the jobs done so far. Click Settings to view subscription information and send feedback. You can use templates according to various topics in the Tenada app. Select View All to check those templates for the relevant theme only. Selecting the template you want will display a screen allowing you to preview the template. Click Views to edit the template. Tap and move the text over the screen to change its location. Use 2 fingers to adjust the text size. If you want to edit the text, tap once again. Type the text you want and tap Complete. Tap Save button to save your work. You can save photos by selecting the Photo tab or save video clips by tapping the Video tab. After saving the file, you can immediately share your work through Instagram or Facebook.